Good evening, fellow seekers of happiness. We're continuing the 2 or 3 episodes on depression management, what to do when you're depressed. And one method, it ties in with getting rest anyway. Obviously, it's to get some alone time, even if it's just in the bathroom. I don't know why people don't talk about this more, but you're on your own by definition. So if you can take in a pair of headphones and phone and listen to some music, some soothing, relaxing music that you find relaxing and soothing. This could be lo-fi beats, lo-fi jazz stroke, hip-hop type beats, lo-fi trap. There are lots of permutations on this. So you type in lo-fi or studying music or beautiful, relaxing music into YouTube, then you'll get something back. Full disclaimer here, I've got a channel. You may or may not discover that at some point. I might even post some of the music on here just to, or post. Yeah, I might just upload one as one episode. They're about anything between 5 and 20 minutes long. Might post a 10-minute one, which I will demonetize so that there aren't any stupid, annoying adverts halfway through. And I personally listen to this. I wrote it, but I listen to it when I need to get to sleep or to meditate, to help me meditate, to get into the right frame of mind. So I know there are no sudden loud noises or anything in the middle of it. And yeah, music. We all have our own personal tastes. So what works for one person doesn't work for another. And to that end, if you are going to take this hint, then obviously it would, if you're a person who likes 1950s jazz, you're going to have to find some slow, cool jazz from the bebop era. Listen to that and do something to attenuate. I strongly recommend turning I'm going to call it the treble, okay? It's the high frequencies down so that they don't jar, simply because those frequencies your subconscious is on the lookout for, because usually they signal danger. They may signal danger because you're used to, or your ancestors were used to listening for bird song, and once the bird song went off abruptly, then that meant something was approaching that was bad. But also a lot of predators have that kind of high-pitched screech when they're about to attack. So it's something that you need to turn down while you're listening so that you can relax. And as I've said a few times, even if that's all you're doing, just close your eyes, listen to the music, listen to the melody, listen to the bass, listen to the shifting chords, whatever it is you're listening to, concentrate on that, close your eyes, give it your full focus, and 10 to 15 minutes usually is sufficient to recharge your batteries, give you some inner strength and get you back into the fight. Okay, tomorrow we'll talk about the effects of a different kind of sound experience, which is also beneficial for relaxing you, calming you, giving you some rest so that you can combat depression, combat stress, combat all that kind of mess that keeps us in a negative place. Okay, so here's to your greater relaxation, here's to your happiness, and if you find this useful, then please hit the like button, and I will see you tomorrow.